life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. The power of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen.
Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. See a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Lama, red pajama in the booth, big drama. Yeah. Turn it down, turn it up, Big Daddy morning saga. Came from pennies in the sofa to the charts, top dollar. Self-taught, killer, naughty, study every comma. Used to heat the same stew, 3 nights, 1 pot. Now the plate look like a painting, chef talk, that's art. G-Wagon in the snow, tank tracks on the block. Used to watch from the sidewalk, now I'm on in the lot. Legos on the desk, build plays brick by brick. Click, clack, stack, stats, every candle, every tick. Merging numbers with the nerve, yeah, I been my own script. Fibs on the chart, in a circle in my grip. I don't follow, I invented, I don't care if you agree. Unapologetic when I speak on the feed. You get feelings, I get fees, funding pace for my beliefs. From the basement to the beacon, I'm the voice you gotta meet. Big Daddy! Lama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, say my name. Llama, red pajama. Taught myself the game, turn the charge to a Bible. Saw fear in the wick, smell greed in the cycle. Mixing golden lines with the zones from the rise. You replace, I read people, that's the difference in survival. I see stops like targets, crowd thought like a map. I don't chase, I said traps, let them sprint into the gap. Got them psych, get sharp, every loss just better. Detached from the paper, then the profits come later. Breakfast segment, hot takes on the plate. Oh, yeah. Serve eggs, serve facts, both cook, both flame. Sip coffee in the studio, G-Wagon at the gate. From late night charge to my name on the gate. I got haters in the chat, but they never change the trend. They react, I anticipate, I was cashing while they pressing. Floor to the Forbes, every step I had to plan. Now my word move crowds like a wave from my hand. Llama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, Llama, red pajama. I don't flinch at the dip, I've been broken, I've been bruised. I don't fold on a tick, I decide what I lose. I don't marry any view, I just marry execution. My advantage is the calm in the middle of confusion.
Mind control, I choose what I feel. Crowd screams, I stay still. They see candles, I see wheels. One thought, one click, one meal. One cheap meals go nice. In the taste of menu life, to the ego sets for miles. To the chauffeur at my side, same brain from the bottom, just upgraded how it fires. Now I host the whole arena while I sharpen my desires.
Llama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, Llama, red pajama. Morning on the stores, I move with a grin. Eyes on the table, I know where to begin. Price tags blink fast, handshake a little. I read the room clean, then I split the middle. One bad pull, don't break my stride. I wait for the gap, then I slide inside. One smart move can flip the whole game. I don't chase luck, I chase my name. Loot, I take what's mine. Loot, right place, right time. Loot, keep the faith alive. Bad pulls fade out, good runs survive. Good runs survive. Saw a cold dead box and I laughed out loud. Not every hit lands, not every crowd is proud. I keep my eyes open, count every turn. If the first one misses, I still got more to earn. One bad pull, don't own my mind. I play my hand like I plan my time. One clean step, and I'm on my way. A little less loss, a lot more safe. Loot, I take what's mine. Loot, right place, right time. Loot, keep the faith alive. Bad pulls fade out, good runs survive. Halftime now, let the floor shake. Take the long shot, then I make my break. No panic, no face gone blue. I know what's
Show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Oh, yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah, yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when
Look at the dump. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. TP.
most entertaining thing on the internet. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the
Keep on the strong stop losses at orb.
I said, my first day here. How often do you hit like this, Max? Every fucking
day. Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max. It is Friday, June 12th. It's 9:29 in the morning, and I'm with the one and only Maestro Gang, the king himself, the most consistent trader I've ever met. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Javi, baby. Give it up for Javi. Maestro Gang is in the house. Javi, how are you feeling?
I'm great, brother. I'm great, man. I'm pumped for the event. I'm pumped for the move.
Oh my God,
I'm
we're gonna have a
pumped for the
great
fourth.
event. You're moving. It's Friday, baby. It's Friday, chat. Fridays are for profit taking, not for over trading. Let's get ready to rock and roll, baby. Let's see what happens here. I'll tell you, if we 3-bar up, I will be looking at a continuation. I'm not gonna lie, we'll be looking for continuation if we 3-bar up. Wow.
Whoa.
But apparently the market said no 3-bar, please.
Everything
No
is
3.
frozen right now.
Yeah, gonna give this a second. Yesterday there was some data issues, so I'm definitely gonna give this a second to cook. I don't want to get caught in anything nasty, so I'm gonna give this a minute to digest. That was a fucking dumpy boy. That was the dumpy boy. Let's give this a minute to digest and see where we go from there, baby. This is some nice price action so far. That was a what, 495 to 371. It was a 120 point stick.
Yep. If this stays underneath 433, I'm kind of liking it to continue to go down. But I want to see this 5-minute closure below that.
Right. Yeah, there's no doubt in my mind that we may see some continuation. Filled one of the golden MVGs below. It's a pretty nice wick up. I think you might see a little push to the upside here.
Oh,
and then I want to see a continuation. Yeah, I want to see a little push and a continuation. There's a golden MVG, maybe a golden on the SPX here. Hold on.
Whoa,
yeah, that short's looking good.
Rejection. Oh,
that short's looking pretty good. Wow, look at that wick. That's what I'm looking for, is a wick up because of the MVG above. But that thing is getting ready to dump, it looks like.
I got one runner left running. If it pulls all the way back up, then it'll take me out. But for now, that was a good little rejection of 433.
Yeah, I like the short here too, Javi. If SPX can't clear 8 in the next couple of seconds, maybe a minute and a half, I think the short is good here because we're so close to yesterday's gap. That probably will fill. And Q very weak. Very weak. Very nice. That was fucking crazy. Let's see what we get on this third little candle here. We got some wicks. Do we have buying pressure, or does this give us a dump right here? Ladies and gentlemen, let's see what we got. We got a golden MVG on SPX.
Yep. Closes below this 377, then we have room.
Yeah, this looks like it's getting ready to just dump here. I might go short. This looks like a dumper getting ready to happen. Yep. The wicks are pretty big, but this looks like it's about to break structure. There it goes.
My runner's up $100. 60-point drop. If anybody caught that 33 rejection, maybe.
Hold on. I want to see a push below these wicks. I want to aim for. There's an MVG down by 23. I want to aim for. Fuck, how many points is that? Shit, that's 100 points. You can't even.
Yeah.
It's like 100 points. I'm going to size down. I'm going to size down is what I'm going to do. SPX filled that golden, which is very good. SPX filled that golden right there, which is very good.
This whole week has been sized down week.
Yeah, I like the short still. I want to see a dumper. I want to see if it breaks structure here and can dump all the way down. There it goes. There's another new low. There's another new low. Here we go. Bang. There we go. Daddy's getting paid. Daddy's getting paid. I want to see 20. Daddy's getting paid. I want to see 20. Daddy's getting paid. I want to see 20. He can't keep doing this. Don't give him 100 points in 2 minutes.
Let's go.
My stop loss is all the way down by fucking like 50 or 60. I don't know. Like, I don't know what to do right now. I'm trailing. Holy shit. I'm up 60 points. 60 points. I want to see 20 hit. Final PT would be zeros into 12.
Max.
Bang, bang, bang. I'm trimming profit. I'm trimming profit. I'm up 20 grand. I'm up 20 grand. Holy fuck. I'm in 1 mini. I'm up 20 grand. Here we go. There's the dump to 20. Get ready. I'm going to trim one more at 10. Holy fuck. I just caught an 80-point stick. Here we go. Bam. There's 10. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
There's the 312 bounce. There's the 312 bounce. Woo!
He can't keep doing this. He can't keep fucking doing this. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Rerun the intro. Rerun the intro. I do this every fucking day.
Let's go, baby. There's the 312 bounce. There's who caught that 312 bounce. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I got a 50. Dude, 100 points short from that 433 rejection, and just caught a 50 point bounce.
Just called the bottom. Just called the bottom by 7 points.
Go, brother. Easy
Looking,
peasy,
SPX filled that gap. SPX filled the daily gap perfectly, and now it is fighting for its life. We are extremely weak, and downtrending on all time frames. But be patient now after a banger like that. Let's see if we get any kind of continuation up, or this is going to be fake. But I'll tell you right now, the long looks good. The long is looking sexual on that break of that wick.
70 points.
The long is looking good right here. If this thing breaks 82, Javi, I might scale in. If this thing can break 82, I might scale in. Here we go. Get ready. Hold on, Javi. Get ready, baby.
100 points down, 100 points up,
here we go. Here we go, Javi. Here we go. Back to the retest. Here we go, Javi. Woo!
100 points down, 100 points up. Let's fucking go. Yeah, it goes.
Keep going. Whoa! Keep going, Javi. We're going long. We're going back up, baby. Hold it. Hold it. We're going to eat the whole move. We're going to eat the whole move.
Fucking wild power. Fucking wild morning show. Whoa.
Bro, keep going. Hold on. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Keep holding. Let's see. Stop loss. I'm moving it up, baby. Full break. My stop. I'm going to push it all the way up to 95. Push the stops up to 402. Push the stops up to 400, 402. Here we go. Push the stops up to 400, 402. Should be about 50, 60 points in stop here on the long. 400, 402. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
Let's fucking go, bro. Wow. 100 points down, 100 points up.
1 mini, caught a little bit more profit on that one. I'm just going to keep on fucking cruising, baby. And yes, that does say funded, baby. That does say funded. I like that. Look at the long. Here we go. Hold on. Might be giving me re-entry here. This might be re-entry. SPX is waking up and Q's waking up. Everything's looking good. I'm getting ready to re-enter that long. I'm getting ready to re-enter that long as we enter that previous candle body. I'm getting ready to fucking smack this thing. I want to see if we can ride back up into that range. I want to see if we can ride back up into that range, baby. Let's see if we get it. If we hold above this previous candle wick, if it breaks that previous candle wick, here we go. Here we go. Looking for the schlong. Let's see if it goes. Let's see if we get the break here. Give me that break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Break me off. Buttercup, baby. There we go. There we go. A little bit push. Give me a little pushy. Give me a little pushy. I think I got to change my stop to a little bit further because it's trailing so tight.
Yeah.
Hold on. No entry for me. I got to adjust my shit here because it is so tight that I'm getting, if I entered on a trailing here, I would just get wicked out. I'm up 24,000 on the day. And let's see right here if it enters execute partial. What happened there? Okay, hold on.
All right, this needs to break back over 445 if it's going to go up any further.
I got no stop.
Wow.
There we go.
What a morning, man. I'm done. I'm done, dude. That's
beautiful job, baby. Beautiful job. Beautiful job, Javi. Get ready for a potential 3-bar down here. Hold on. If this doesn't break on SPX, the short might be good. We might actually be heading back down. Hold on. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here because SPX is either setting up to fill that wick or it's going to dump. If it fills that wick or it's going to dump, let's see what happens. And it's filling, and we're breaking to the upside here. We'll break it to the upside. Let's see if it rejects. If it does, I'll probably try and test the short. Let's see what happens. Okay, SPX rejecting. If it breaks below 7,400, I'm hitting short, and I'm hitting short heavy, chat. If it breaks that, I'm going short. I'm going short heavy. You want to get in above that wick point. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. If it breaks 7,400 on a reversal, I'm going so fucking short. Dumping a little
that's a
bit.
good area.
Oh yeah. You'll get some juice out of that. You'll get some real fucking juice out of that. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Long max. Well, I'm not in a trade. I'm waiting for 7,400, but it looks good. The long looks good.
45. Yeah, if it can hold over 45 is the only
Wake
way.
me up. I gotta switch
I'm gonna go up any
accounts
further.
to my. Where's my Apex? Here we go. I gotta get my Apex going. Let's go. What a morning, baby. What a morning. Let's fucking go. Hobby, absolute beast.
It was a great morning.
We're not done yet, baby. I got some more counts here, and I gotta get to trading. Here we go. That long's looking really nice at this point in time. Wow, that long's looking really nice, but it's too volatile.
Yeah.
SPX, so many wicks here. So many wicks. And Q needs to press up to this previous candle.
There's that push.
SPX is still, yep, there goes a beautiful push right there. Beautiful push right there. This is setting up for an orb reversal. Let's go, baby.
Oh, weird. Why doesn't my screenshot button not work all of a sudden?
There goes the, wow, there goes the dump.
There's a rejection. Right off that level.
There goes the dump.
Huge rejection off that 79 area.
See, Don, this is why you don't tell people how to trade in the chat, Don, because if anyone was just in the long listening to you, they just blew all their counts.
Yeah, you just blew everything on that.
That's why you don't try and act like a killer in the fucking chat there, bucko. Everything's kind of frozen and moving weird today. I might just call it with my 24K profit.
Yeah, that would be wise, I think.
I've been liking the short. SPX broke that 7,400 and dumped 20 fucking points, baby. And I think it's going to continue here. I don't see us bouncing at all. Besides,
right now it's just wild swings.
Right, I don't see it coming back up. So I'm going to just go ahead and show it on the board. Anarchy, Daddy Max is not going to take any more trades. I'm going to Fridays for profit taking 24,423 on the day, and I'm going to switch accounts. Fuck that. Fuck that. You got to be an idiot to overtrade in these conditions, but I do like the potential of a short here over the long. I think that the long is definitely not my vibe, especially since we're about to break a low of day. There it goes. There it goes. And rolling. And rolling. And rolling. And rolling.
Whoa!
And rolling.
On 2 micros.
Look at this, Javi. Just switch.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
Look at this. Ready caught a piece.
Let's go.
Look at the short, baby. Like I said, Don, you don't ever tell the fucking king what to do. Break of 7,400, you go short, Don. You don't ever talk to the fucking king without being on your knees with a mouth full of these nuts.
Wow, look at that short go. Wow. I just passed another eval with that dump. I just played the quantum signal right there with 2 micros, caught $300+. That's what can go.
Still long, brother. If you're long and you're telling people you're going to go for 400+ points today, my friend, you are a retard. I don't know how else to say
1,000%.
I don't know what other word to describe what you're doing. Holding 700 points in drawdown on a fucking futures trade The only word I could use to describe that is retarded. You know, you take that with what you take that as is. You know what I'm saying? You take that as is. I mean, he could trade his way. He could trade whatever way he wants. It is what it is, baby. You know what I'm saying? If that's the vibe for Big Daddy Don, let him do that. I would just never, ever in my days would I hold futures trades. And you know what? Show me your account, Don. If you don't show me you're in a long and down right now and drawdown, I'm banning you. Post
You know what's funny, Max?
If you're just in my fucking chat yapping about price targets and everything without showing me proof, you're out of here. Show me your fucking trade right now. Show me that you're in a long and you got the balls. Come on, Donnie boy. You got about 2 minutes. Like, it shouldn't take that long to hit control. Look, hold on. Ready? There's my screenshot. That took all of 10 seconds.
You know what's funny? It's like tomorrow or Monday.
Don't come in the chat, right? Don't come in the fucking chat yapping about shit. Don't talk about it. Be about it.
It's still dumping. Still dumping. Don's getting cooked right now for sure.
Bro, just went long. Bro, you just went long on a fucking paper trade? No. Unless you're trading one trade. Oh hell nah, twin.
He's getting cooked right now. He's totally getting cooked. He just got stopped out of that trade too.
Bro, yeah, you just
making shit up.
Nah.
This guy's just clicking. Look. Oh, dude. He's just clicking. He's
big respect that he posted it. Horrible respect that you're posting a fucking paper trade. Don't come in here yapping on paper. No, sir. No. You better be an artist like me, an autistic artist, to be yapping like that, doing paper, Don. Fucking gabagool. You were the fucking gabagool on this guy. Look at the short continuation.
Look. Yeah, I just played against Don. Look, I just played against Don. Made $200 with my micros. Fuck you, Don. Fuck you. How about that?
Yeah, my boy Javi said I faded Don. Fuck this guy. I made 200. Oh, big shout out.
That's how you do it, baby.
Big shout out to Don. Keep doing your thing, buddy. You are making this day very special for us all. The short looks good, guys. There's another golden MVG below right here. We are breaking orb to the south side. Unless there's some miracle fucking green candle, this short looks good. This short is looking good still. So keep holding the short until SPX breaks back into orb.
SPX bounced right off that golden MVG.
Let's see what happens here. SPX is looking for a push up. NQ looking for a small break back in orb here. Okay, NQ getting some price action back up. Let's see if it rejects. If it rejects back outside of orb, oh boy, am I pushing short again. So let's see what happens here on SPX. If SPX breaks back into orb, could see some bullish movement. If it holds below, bearish. And the long is actually looking, Don, the long's looking good here, Don. Dom, the long might work here, buddy. If you're going to go for it. SPX is moving. It just needs to get above 77. It just needs to push above 77, Dom, and you're cooking with gas, buddy. And you're cooking with gas. Let's see if Dom can get some heat. Let's see my boy Dom get some heat. Come on, Dom. Come on, baby.
This could retest all the way up to 400. Could, but it's in a strong downtrend, so be cautious.
Here it goes. This shit's moving. Nice job. Nice job, everybody.
Woo! Past 550 KS new student to you, Max.
Those first 5 minutes were so action-packed, I'm exhausted.
It was a fun morning, but this price action is good. This price action is really good. This price action is really freaking good. SPX, I'm watching like a hawk right here. There's a golden MVG below. We're seeing some divergence. We're seeing some big divergence on NQ and SPX. $20 dono past 550Ks. New student to you, Max. The course is fire. Let's go, Shy Money. You're the fucking king. Let's go, baby. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. The course is fire indeed. Speaking of courses, Javi's course is dropping soon. Make sure you guys are on the wait list. Bod's post out wait list. The Maestro King is fucking dropping his course here very soon, guys. So make sure you are ready to get involved. This sell side is looking good.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys are on that wait list. There's going to be major perks, some really nice perks for waitlisters and those that sign up at the Blitz. Can't reveal them just yet, but I'm excited as hell.
Trader lady, come on up to the stage. Come on up to the stage. Trader lady.
Trader lady.
Trader lady, come on up to the stage. Trader lady 0073. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Immediately left the live. Trader lady. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. No. This is a catfish. This is a catfish.
Let's see. Let me see.
Yeah, this is a catfish.
Yeah.
She also be talking in power. That's a catfish.
I think she misspelled the other T word for Hishis.
Yeah, that's a catfish.
Yeah.
I tried to call him up before and he didn't answer. So this is looking real nice on the charts here. Watch for your continuation. Watch for your continuation here. Let's look at SPX. SPX is looking pretty rough on the 2-minute here. Looking pretty rough on the 2-minute. We enter this consolidation right here, and whichever way it breaks, you're going to get your next nice move, chat. You're going to get your next nice move. So let's see what happens. Let's get ready to see what happens here.
Just passed that account on
SPX
that
looking
bounce.
SPX just looking bearish. And Q's holding down the fort. It's in the middle of consolidation. This is literally the worst time to trade. The worst time to trade is enter right in the middle of a consolidation. Unless you pick the right way. But that's 50-50. What do you guys think, chat? What happened to the other Mexican guy that's usually on stream?
What's wrong with this Mexican guy?
No, he said, what happened to the other Mexican guy that's on stream?
Hey, my name is Lama Antonio Pijama, okay?
Oh, it's just funny as fuck that people just be like, they see two fat Spanish guys and they're like, what these Mexicans doing up there?
Oh, yeah. It's funny how many times I get called Lama, though. Like, people actually call me Lama.
Other Mexican guy eating good today. That's my dog. That's my dog. Lama, red pajama in the chat, my boy. I hope your hands are recovering. I hope you're doing well. I hope your hands are seeing some recovery and progress. And we wish you nothing but well, buddy. We wish your hands nothing but the best. Hopefully they get better soon. Hopefully you get well soon. So, man, this 15-minute stick just looks like it could fucking melt. It could go either way, but if it can't get back into orb, this 15-minute stick looks like it could just liquidate. So let's see if SPX can get back into orb or not. But if it doesn't do so in the next few minutes, I might enter a short. I just might enter a short, enter the next range down.
I'm interested in testing this bounce if it closes over 317.
You got a small little pop here. Nice small little pop. It's crazy. Each candle is like 40 points and then wicks.
Whoa, it already left. It went 20 points afterwards.
There's a break into orb. There's a break into orb. You know, they had to do crazy liposuction on Lama's hands. I can't imagine the pain that he's in.
So he's not going to look like Wreck-It Ralph anymore?
This is the top of the chop here, baby. Let's see what happens.
Wow, there goes. Yep. Yeah, that was just an insta 317 break for that push up.
It could. This is where if I was going to be, we're top of the chop. So we're probably going to either dump here. You go short at the top, you go long at the bottom. We're in a consolidation, so no clear breakout. So this is actually where you'd be more inclined to go short. But if it breaks above, then you know you have confirmation. You have a tight risk to reward. You could do something like probably the orb. There it goes. It's going back down. Let's see if SPX can climb or not. If you go short here, bang, look at that. You go short there, bang, look at that.
Yeah,
And then
now we
you
have a
take
range.
profit at the bottom of that range. That's a 3-to-1 from the top of that fucking short to the
Whoa.
bottom. Beautiful look. SPX dumping down. SPX didn't look good on the bigger time frames. If NQ breaks orb here, you're gonna get a newer low, and you guys should be done for the day. So let's see if it continues down here. That's what I would be looking at.
282. Yeah, I'm looking at the 282
That's
break for
exactly what I would
continuation
be
zone.
looking at right there. That would be my current. SPX needs the 3-bar break above fucking 79 to even be bullish, which is not impossible. Not
She's hanging out. She's in
impossible.
the range. Yep. There's that bounce
Just
again.
broke right off
Get
of that
in.
orb. SPX just bounced right off of that orb. That's a good sign. It's a good sign for bulls. It's a good sign for the bullies. You know, what time frames do I take trades off of? I reference the 15, the 1, 2, and 5, but I mostly trade off the 1. I trade off the 1, but I reference a bunch of the time frames.
Yeah, I do the 1, 2, and 5. Those are my 3
All
favorites.
all these wicks right here around this like 80 range. If those get taken out, then let's see what orb looks like.
I mean, it could still make a lower high somewhere. That's what I'm still looking at. It's just stuck right now. Unless the
Way
1
too
minute,
high on my
unless
consistency.
yeah.
Brother, I'm way too high on my consistency. My
How far
consistency is
high?
fucking cracked. My consistency is so shot. It's so fucking shot. I made 7,000 yesterday on 1 mini.
Damn.
Yeah,
Oh,
my
what
shit
account type?
on my Lucid fundeds, 150K fundeds.
The flexes? There's that push.
No, the pros, bro.
Oh, those are 40%. That's right. Damn.
40%. Yesterday I hit $7,047 on 1. So I had to make like 20 bands to get a fucking payout now. So frustrating.
All the way back to the top of the range.
To the top. Got my first funded account yesterday too. I'm
Whoa.
fucking fuming. Why are you fuming? You got funded. Shouldn't you be
Yeah.
happy?
You should be happy as fuck, dude.
He's down
Did we
3,500
blow it?
today. Oof.
Oh,
Oof.
that's why.
Nah,
That's why.
no, you're
Yeah.
right, my boy. I'd be pretty upset too. Hey, we all been there. We all been there. Guys, get ready for Trading Wheels after the Big Daddy Morning Show. We got Trading Wheels today with Rob Hoffman, the CEO of Wealth Charts, will be coming on. The CEO of Wealth Charts is going to be coming on to hang out, yap, and chat about the Blitz. And he's also going to be dropping some knowledge on you guys, helping you guys out with anything you may need or have questions for when it comes to Wealth Charts. So make sure you guys tune in Trading Wheels today with the fucking Hoff. He's going to be here today. Make sure you guys tap in.
There's that push to 400 that I was looking at. This 407 is where I'm looking for rejection if we're going to continue on this downtrend. It's pushing.
La da da la, la da la da da.
That's a great song, man.
Such a good song. I'm thinking about taking one more trade. I do have one more
Ooh.
account I could trade,
That was
but
a
I
hard
also
rejection off
don't
400.
like where we're at right now. I'm very conflicted here. We have a little MVG. We have a dump. This is a golden MVG right here. So actually,
Oh, that's
could-
right. SPX just formed one.
yeah, you could see a push up here.
Yep. For over
another
407, I
green
got
week.
407, 411 pocket. Could push up to 473 after that.
Yeah, look, it's moving. Here's that 400 test.
There's a rejection. There it is. There's a rejection on 407. I couldn't catch that shit. Damn. There's that 407 rejection. If this is going to be the push down, you don't want to see it break that. But if it breaks that, then we're going to go hunting a little further up.
Right. Right. SPX golden MVG right there,
Wow.
off of a range break, off of a push
There's-
back into orb. This is
There you go. There's a 40
this
point
is
rejection.
on the next on the next drop. This is the max way right here where you'd go long probably on the next drop. See if it rejects. If it refills that MVG, it's invalid. It's invalidated. See the dump. NQ losing midline. SPX filling the golden. Complete
There's
invalidation.
that rejection.
Yep,
Wow.
complete invalidation.
And just with that, another 600 on a different account. Look at that. That was that short 407.
That's the pullback. That's the pullback.
All right, that's like the 5th account done this morning.
Right there. Let's see. Right here. This is an interesting spot since that just rejected 50 points so fast. I wonder if this is where you tap the long button right here. I wonder if this wicks up and you tap the long button here, or if it's going to dump back down. I'm very, very interested in what
The
this might
SpaceX
do there.
launches in a few seconds. It just released right now. Here's the SpaceX.
SpaceX launch is going on right now.
Yeah.
What does that got to do with anything? Is because the IPO?
I mean, look, we're getting a reaction.
There goes the long. Look. Hold on. Hold on. I like the long there. Hold on. There goes that wick. Here we go. This might be BDM's last fucking move.
Whoa!
Whoa! Go. Here we go.
Can it break 411 and
Keep
keep
pushing.
pushing?
Keep pushing. Keep pushing. I'm gonna try and I would try and trim one at 440.
Dude,
Let's see if it
there's
pushes up
definitely
to that left shoulder. I'm looking for that left shoulder to get hit. Move stops
there's
up
definitely
to
reaction
orb.
to that
Move
IPO.
stops up to orb. Here it comes. I don't give a fuck about SpaceX. All I care about is this candle. I want to see 446. I want to see 446 on the chart. Take profit.
There you go.
There it goes, baby. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Wow, what a fucking ripper. Bang.
Oh, 2 micros up
TP1
120
hit.
bucks.
TP1 hit.
Let's fucking go. I'm trailing the last one already.
TP1 hit and
gonna take that.
rolling. And rolling. I'm going to move my stop
473
up.
could be next.
Move your stop up. Don't let a fucking green trade go red ever. Don't let a green trade go red ever. And then you sell one at 75 and you sell one at topside orb. Trim, trim, trim your trim. What a beautiful pump up. SPX testing midline here. If we break this SPX midline, we have full range ahead. Get ready, chat. If we break it, boom, here we go. If we break this midline, get ready because we are going to be smooth sailing on this long. Absolutely smooth sailing on this long.
Very nice.
Sitting up 80 points right now and cruising. 80 points right now. Move your stop up. Move your stop loss up. Here comes a continuation. Bang, bang, bang. I'm looking for 20 more points for another trim, which is previous wick high. It breaks this structure and we're good to go.
73.
I'm up 90 points.
Then 504. Got a few barriers for it to continue to go up.
SPX, come on, baby. SPX, pop and tap that shoulder. And we are Gucci. Do not fail that midline, SPX. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that, SPX. Move those stops up. Keep them tight, chat. Don't let them green trades go red. This should have just saved everybody's fucking day on this pop. We went
Did
long.
our boy Don survive?
He should be up. He should be up 90 points right now. Here we go.
With the paper trade.
He should be up good. Here we go. Hold on. Let's see that continuation up. I want to see 70. You don't want to be a dick about a tick. 73 and a quarter. Next part to trim. That's 112 points. That's 112 points on the long. And then next is the break of orb. Let's see if it holds. Let's see if we can get some momentum here. SPX, you son of a bitch. Go green.
Yeah. SPX rejecting midline right now.
Yep. It's only red. It's only red $1. It just needs to flip over this midline, and we're green on the day. There it goes. There it goes. There's the flip. There's the flip. Show me 73. Show me we're up 100 and bang, 100 plus points.
There it
100
is.
points. There it is. 73 tap. Trim one more. We're going for orb high 501. That's 140 points. 140 points, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa, here we go. Here we go. 140 fucking points. Next trim is at the bell, baby. Next trim is at the bell. I'm looking for 515 if we push back up. 515, 140 points. Move your stops all the way up to the previous market structure. 85 points in profit. 85 points in profit. Hold the long. Hold the long. Took that midi. Here we go, baby. Let's get up to 516. That next range we need to break into is sitting right at 516 to 518. If we break that, we might move up to Dom's fucking PT. Dom might be rich. Dom might be. Dom, I'll give you fucking 5 free accounts if this long runs all the way up to 648. But if it rejects any time, you're cooked, buddy. You're cooked.
That little 500 rejection.
Look at the long, baby.
Points.
Look at the long. Look at the long. Let's see if SPX can get a 3-bar up here to that left shoulder, 403 to 407. That's what I'm looking for. We got an MVG above. If we get a 3-bar NQ rejecting orb, but if we get a 3-bar break above on SPX here, NQ should be able to get outside of orb. So let's see what happens. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. 140 points. Let's go.
Wild.
I'm trying to hold for my biggest one ever, but it might not happen. It might not happen.
This one, yeah. That 500 area, that 504, it almost got there. Almost got a 504. Oh, it did. It made it to 505.
It made it to 505. I trimmed one right outside of orb. Of orb. I'm currently sitting up 100 points in profit right now.
This 5 minute might be setting up for a 3Z here.
I'm currently sitting up. That would be incredible. I'm sitting 100 points in profit right now. Nice pullback. Let's see if it shotguns up. Nice looking pullback here for a continuation up. There it goes. There it goes. Come on, baby. Here we go. There we go, chat. I'm up 130 points again. 130. Keep on pushing. Test that orb. 135 points. We're green right now. 140. There it goes. There's SPX. There's that left shoulder.
Go.
We're breaking to the MVG. Give me 518. 518. Let's go. 155 points profit right here. Going for my biggest one. 155 profit right here. Holding the long. We're holding the long shot. Fucking, where's Dom? Let's go, Dom. Let's go, Dom. Back on Dom. Let's go, Dom.
Yeah, let's go, Dom. Let's go, baby. Yeah. You survived a 200-point drawdown.
Keep holding it. Boom, 525. Here we go. Here we go. My next trim, I'm looking for the top of the range, 551. Man. 551. Yeah. Whoa. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm going for 200 points right now. I'm up 190. 181. I'm up 181 points. 550 trim. The next break of structure is at the 550 to 552. Oh my God. Final PT for me would be 6-10. That would be 248 points on the long. Hold it, guys. Hold it. Here we go. Whoa, there's a nice break. 550 trim. Holy shit. 190 points. It's my biggest trade.
Oh, let's go.
My biggest trade. 200. There's 200. Hold the long. Hold the long. Hold it. Here we go.
Go, Max.
610. Final PT. 250 points. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm up almost 4,000 a con right now.
Today's probably like the best Friday I've ever had.
Don is only 100 points away from 5 free accounts. Here we go.
So
my stop loss is at the previous break up. It's pretty low, actually. It's only at orb, right below orb. So I'm sitting at about 481 on my stop loss. 120 points in profit. 120 points in profit right now, and we're rolling, chat. We're fucking rolling. Here we go, baby. I still like the long. I want to see SPX break orb. Let's see if we can get a test of this orb high. I'm going to set one more alarm. That's orb high break. And we're fucking cooking with gas. Oh my God. Oh my God,
Wow.
chat. Everybody's day should be green right now. Nobody should be red. Nobody should be red, chat. Nobody. We just went crazy. This is how you end a Friday. This is how you end a Friday. Big Daddy Max,
The upcoming
180 fucking points. Calling out the price targets, calling out everything. Let's keep going. Here we go. Potential 3-bar to the upside. I want to see SPX hit that orb. Final PT could be somewhere between 610 and 675, which would be incredible that we just caught that.
Yeah.
Let's go, Steph, on the PAs. Let's go. I'm still holding the long. We got a newer high here, baby. Let's go. Officially 210, 220, 220 points. 220 fucking points. My final PT is 610. My final PT is 610. That's 200. I'm going to actually go to 613 to make it a smooth 250 point trade for Big Daddy Max. Let's go. 250 points. We entered fucking 11 minutes ago. This is 11 minutes, chat. Hold the long. It's giving me that 250. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. 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 Give it to me.
Clean failed bearish candle.
I'm going to go ahead and move my stop loss all the way up to orb now, 502, locking in 2780 per con. Locking in 2780 per con. Here we go. 610, 610. Give it to me. We're one push away, chat. We're one. If SPX breaks orb here, my bell rings. That means we're at 610, and I have taken full profit. Here it comes. Oh my God, I'm up 230 points. Give it to me, a full 250. Give me a full 250 to end the Friday. Yo, who's in this long with us? Nobody. Baby.
Everyone should be fucking green. Come on.
And you could do this on 25 accounts with wealth charts. You could do this on OmniProp. No one, guys, get on OmniProp. Even with 5 micros right now, you just made 50 bands. Hold on. Give me that fucking 610, bro. 250 points for Big Daddy Max in 13 minutes. Oh my God. 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 Don't do me like that, SPX. Break orb. Don't do me like that, SPX.
He's got a little golden MVG down at 7404 to maybe go challenge.
Come on, chat.
Maybe.
We want 610. We want that MVG to be filled. We want that MVG to be filled. One little pullback, shotgun blast through orb. I'm going to move my stop a little bit higher here to about 620, locking in 3,100 per con. Have you ever seen anything as sexual as me? The difference is, Don, we're trading prop, so you can't hold through drawdown like that. You can't hold through drawdown like that. The Maxway was clearly displayed at the bottom today. It was a very sexual trade. I'll show you guys. You know, I'll do a Maxway. No, I can't. It's too much sauce. I'll show you guys the indicators. If you look on my chart right now, oh, that orb rejection is too juicy. If we don't start wicking up here, this looks really good right here. If this area breaks, though, here we go. If this area breaks, I fail, we may start a downtrend. I fear we may start the downtrend, and that's going to lock me out. My total gain there, 203 points. 203 points. If it drops right here, another 10, 15 points, I will be stopped out on my last con at $3,100 per con. $3,100 per con. Let's get ready. And I am out. Bang. Tap me out right there, chat. Tap me out right there. 230 fucking points. 230 fucking points. I broke a record every day this week live for you.
Amazing, amazing Friday. Cannot ask for anything
I'll
better.
tell y'all right now, if I carry this momentum over on Monday for the Blitz, you guys are going to be eating.
Oh, we are.
Amazing. 230 points. I'm out. Total profit on that trade, $27,895. $1,000. Congratulations right there. The Blitz will be live streamed for the Discord. Yes, that is 1,000,000% correct. Chat, where's my, there's literally no way to show you guys how, like this picture at the bottom here. I don't know how else to explain it without, I can't give away sauce, but if you just look at my chart and you're a student of mine, the max way was clearly displayed at the bottom. All my students know 1, 2, 3, we're shooting for 5, baby. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3, we're shooting for 5, baby. Let's go.
They look like Range Breaker cooked.
If you made profits for the chat today, guys, could you do a little profit roll call? Perhaps we could see a little profit roll call, perhaps.
Let's do a little profit roll call, yo. Yeah. Profit roll call.
Oh yeah. Chat was eating today.
Oh,
look at that. The Omniprop, baby. Omniprop. 10 bands. Perfect. Omniprop. No music. No music, Anarchy. Cut it off. No. Give me the screen share real quick, Javi. This is Friday. The vibes are good. The vibes are high. Give me the screen.
It's all yours, baby.
You know what we need. You guys know what we need to do. You know what we need. You know what we do.
Stretch my hands to you. Life like this is what your life like. Try to live the life right. People really know you push your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the gram and I don't even like lights. I was screaming at my daddy, told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee, just like Mike. Looking for a bright light. Seagull, what your life like? Riding on a white bike, feeling like a sight bike. Pressing on the gas, supernova for a night light. Dreaming at my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. But nobody never tell you when you're being like Christ. Only ever seeing me, only when they needing me. Like if Tyler Perry made a movie for BT, searching for a deity. Now you wanna see it free, now you wanna see it free. Let you see it 3 apiece. Tell me what your life like, turn it down a bright light. Driving with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. I'm just trying to find, I've been looking for a new way. I'm just really trying not to really do the fool way. I don't have a cool way, being on my best though. Block up on a text though, nothing else next though. Not another word, let a picture or a decimal. Wrestling with God, I don't really wanna rest so. Man, it's really lifelike, everything in my life. Arguing with my dad and he said it ain't Christ-like. Man.
Woo!
Party, baby.
You know it's like somebody only close you can get you like off your. I be on my. I woke up this morning. I said about
BX breaking out of war, baby.
I try to talk
Stretch
to
my
him, get him some advice. He's
Woo! Needed that. Well, I'm rooting for this boy Dom now. I'm rooting for this motherfucker. 30 points. My boy Dom, where's he at? Get him up here. We shit on him because I hit a banger short and he's revived from the grave. Dom, get up here and show us your charts. Show us the trade. Where's the trade? Post the trade. If he's in it, show me post the trade that you're in again. The charts. There he is. We cooked this guy, but he is pennies away. We cooked this guy, but he's pennies away from his price target, and we gotta see it, baby. We gotta see it.
Hello.
Don, welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. How are you?
Doing good. How you guys doing?
Fucking amazing.
Sounds like Rico Suave up in here.
Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Let's see it, Don. Give us a screenshot. You got a camera?
Yeah, but let me tell y'all, I fucked up in an accident. So I'm trading on Tradify on Tradicy, and I have like two more little screens, MNQ and NQ, and I was already clicked at NQ, and I put 5 contracts, and then boom, blew my shit and a pullback. But I'll show you guys.
He did not survive that 200-point pullback.
That's what I told him earlier. I said, but you can't survive the pullbacks. You trading prop. That's why I say you can't hold through the drawdown.
No, I got the.
At least
I
he's
got
being honest about it.
I have the Lightning Tradify.
Oh, so you hit DLL.
What is that?
Daily loss limit, Don.
Oh,
boy.
Yeah, so I hit the 3,000 daily loss limit and accidentally, boom, hit my share. But it's all good. I'm not tripping. Like, I know my levels. I know it's going to hit.
Okay, so you do a level system like on the larger time frames, and you wait for them to accept that.
I can give you guys the heat right now. I mean, it's kind of easy. All you got to do is be patient and hit it right at the perfect time.
You said you're not going to give me heat? Like
I can't. No, like I can give you guys the gas, the
like you're
the
going to teach me
sauce.
something about trading?
No, I don't gotta teach you nothing, but I can give you a little sauce that I figured out, and then you can use that.
How long have you been trading?
Hardcore nonstop, 8 months.
So you for 8 months is going to drop something on Big Daddy Max, a 9-year professional with 7 million in verified profits. You're going to tell me that you can't tell me something.
All right, I'm gonna tell you
God, I
guys.
got to tell you, your arrogance is probably the reason why you hold your drawdown and your drawdown and your lack of knowledge of the accounts that you're even trading. At least you chose a great firm in fucking Tradeify, but you, my friend, need to go through ego death if you plan
I already went through hell and back 8 months, but like I said, I figured it out just recently. I figured this shit out recently too, like 2-3 weeks ago.
By yourself?
By myself. I watch you guys. I watch you guys every morning. You know, y'all funny as hell.
Amazing week
But
so far.
You're a dangerous person,
I'm up
Don, because you talk confident in
$5,980
the
per
chat.
account so
You
far.
probably talk confident.
ORV and quantum shift is amazing.
And you're a dangerous
Closing for
person
today.
for other
Just
traders.
$5
I'm not gonna lie
dono.
to you.
Smiley face
you're a dangerous
emoji.
person because you think you found something out 8 months in and you're gonna cook. You just blew your fucking accounts, and that's the problem.
no, it's only one account. It's only one account. It's only one Lightning.
You're just drifting. You're just grifting. And right now, if that shit did hit 647, you would have never told us that you got popped. You would have just came up here, said, I told y'all I'm the shit. My shit works. Give me my accounts.
Okay, let me tell you guys. I'm from Chicago, so this is the way I talk. You know, I'm from Chi City. So let me tell you guys what I figured out, which is I mark my pre-market. That's it, my pre-market. And depending where the opening at 9:30 is at, if it's down, it's gonna hit my pre-market at 8 o'clock. So I mark that level. And then I see that the highest London.
Twin, you're talking about pre-market sweeps? Like you
Yeah.
invented something?
I didn't invent nothing. I just figured it out. It's simple. It's easy. It's not that complicated.
I know, but Dom, here's the deal. I have to tell you, you are not good for other traders because you talk confidently with a lack of experience. You have a significant arrogancy problem. You are very confident in your trading, and if we didn't get called up out here, I fail to believe that you would have been honest with us and you would have accepted your prize and came up here boasting with more confidence. However, and you're sitting here in the chat telling people when to enter and exit trades. You are one of the most biggest problems in the industry, Dom. I have to tell you that at 8 months old, you are very, very much in an infancy stage of trading and self-awareness, self-confidence, emotional control, and everything like that. You, my friend, probably are you know what?
Say it. Just
I'm
say it.
It's all good.
I'm just gonna ban him. I'm just gonna ban him. He is not good for my company, my chat. If he wants to go grift and do his wild fucking thing at somewhere else, come up here and tell Big Daddy Max you can't tell Big Daddy Max some kind of sauce. Chat, let me tell you something, guys. Anyone who's in the chat telling you guys when to enter, when to exit, and doing little emojis and then saying they got heat and all this other bullshit that he was doing, and he was doing it all the time, and then he comes up here and saying, I blew my account. Oh yeah, I've been blowing my accounts and I got my secret sauce. That's dangerous for the industry. He's not good for other traders. That's not good for other traders because someone's gonna see it, be like, "Oh, this dude was right one time out of the 70 times he fucked up," and then they're gonna be like, "Let me hit up this guy," and stuff like that. He didn't even know what a DLL. So
you know what, Max? I actually
I,
got cooked like that back down in South Detroit. Do you remember there was
how
a
a lot
guy
of
over
people
there?
get scammed, bro. That's how
Yeah.
people get scammed because this dude, the confidence he has, he will convince people to purchase things from him.
Yes.
He will
Yeah.
convince people to follow him and purchase things from him. And that is a dangerous person in this industry to follow. And I don't want that shit near me. I don't want that shit near my fucking audience. Your ass is fucking banned, twin. I drive a Rolls Royce.
Fuck yeah. I drive a Kia Sedona.
Fuck yeah. I also have a
Fuck yeah.
Kia. I also have a Kia. And I fucking love that Telluride. I'm gonna tell
Hell
you right
yeah.
now. Kia
No, hey,
Telluride.
I'm gonna update the van. We are gonna buy the brand new Mercedes van. Have you seen that shit? Have you seen the brand new Mercedes that's coming out with the van?
No, my wife's been on the Kia van, bro. My wife's been talking about the Kia
The
van.
Carnival's actually pretty sick.
She
I
said
was on it, but
it's like a minivan, but it looks more like a SUV. It's kind of gas.
yes,
So
it is.
I think I'm gonna cop that, bro. The new Kia van. Have you guys seen this shit?
If you're gonna get the hybrid, give it one more year though, because it's had a few issues, and that's the problem with like when a new company comes out with a new, hybrid system. Give it a year so they can kick out the kinks, because there were a few transmission issues with the first one.
We went. I told you. I've said this before. My wife and I went to all the luxury SUVs. We went to all of the Escalade, the Escalades. We went to Genesis. We went to all of the luxury SUVs you could think of, the Audi A8 RSs or anything. We walked into Kia. I didn't even want to go. I was like, why the fuck are we even going to Kia? We went to Kia. She had the Kia Telluride, all white, saddle interior, fully loaded. Bro, they're talking about, oh, it's 44,000. I bought the car right there. We drove it home in 2 hours. We drove it home in 2 hours. Yep. But now she's talking about Kia got this minivan hybrid that she liked.
The Carnival.
And
It's thick.
And
especially if
and
you get the
we
highest
might drop
trim.
that. It's that's not my wife drives the Rolls Rover. She's got a Rolls Rover, and I got the Rolls Royce, a SEMA truck, a Cyber truck, a Kia, and then we're gonna buy the Kia minivan. But it's for Brooks Boss. Brooks Boss drives that car. It got good safety ratings too.
Yeah, no, Kia's something. Like the Carnival that we have is a fucking 2019.
Don't bring it to
and
ATL.
it's
They'll
beautiful.
steal. Why the fuck would I ever drive to
was.
Atlanta? Why would I drive anywhere? I'm not driving nowhere if it's longer than 3-4. Fuck that. I hate driving now.
Dude, I
hate fucking driving, bro. If it's longer than 3-4 with a baby, and I'm about to have a second baby, I ain't fucking driving.
Yeah.
Put them babies on a train or a plane. Yeah, put them babies on a fucking train or a plane. I ain't fucking.
You're right about that. But you know what? That's what's nice. So if you're gonna do that kind of a long trip, though, I recommend doing it in your Cybertruck, because at least it makes you stop and take a breather.
Hell yeah.
I'm on Lucid Funded Pro, started at 130 Boeing account. Now I'm up 48.67. Man, you survived, bullish. Dude, yeah, I used to love road tripping in the Tesla, Brent, man. I used to love, we made the drive from Utah all the way to Maryland in the Tesla, and we stopped by all these different chargers, and there was one in Colorado that was just fucking amazing. Like, I don't even remember what city it was, but it was just beautiful. And that's what I did like about the Tesla, is
Goodbye,
that
Panda.
it made you stop in places, and you get to
Bro.
check out different little things.
Let's go. Bro, if you're up $200 and you were down 500, twin, it's
No.
Friday.
Yeah.
It's Friday.
It's Friday, baby. No, I never had an
I
issue.
can
I
tell you
literally drove the
right
Tesla from Utah to Maryland without an issue.
I know that's right. Funky
Yeah.
Friday, boys. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Yeah, what are we doing, guys? Man, I gotta
Let's
pack all
go.
this shit up. I'm packing all my shit up tonight. Like
Yeah,
all this shit is
when's your
staying up.
official move date?
So back, it's crunch time, bro. Like basically when I get back from the event, my wife is gonna pretty much have a lot of things cleaned up. My mom's gonna come take TVs and things that they want. And we're trying to leave Thursday or Friday. So basically I come back
Wow.
from the event on Wednesday. We're
And you're
gonna,
and you're driving
crunch
down.
time, and we're driving down. Yep.
And
So
the
we're
house
gonna try to
down
leave
here
Thursday,
is good
Friday.
to go.
Yep. No furniture yet. So we'll probably stay in a hotel for a week or so till we get at least a couch
Oh,
and the bedding
yeah.
in.
I
And
know
then
I
we're
just
gonna
bought
do
a
the
bed for
rest.
my wife. I just bought a new bed for my wife. Her back's been hurting. She's 31 weeks pregnant now, and our bed was too soft. So I just bought a brand new bed. It's a
Yeah,
lot more firm. It feels a lot better for my back
that
too.
helps.
And yeah, way
Mhm.
better for my back too. And we got it in like 48 hours. So for bedding, it'll be
From
quick.
where?
It was at the West Palm Outlets. What was that? Mattress Giant, Mattress Sleep, Mattress something. One
Okay.
of the mattress ones.
All right. Yeah,
But
we're
the
not
bed
trying to
was
go super cheap.
yeah, no, the
We
bed
used
was
to go super
gas.
cheap, so
No, Dan, what's the name of the bed? Shepherd. Yeah. Stearns and
Shepherd.
Foster. Look at a firm Stearns and Foster. That
Firm
bitch
Stearns and
was
Fosters.
nice. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It was a little expensive. It was like what, like 4,500?
Yeah,
Five racks for the bed.
it's up there,
Bro,
right?
they're handmade. I've never even heard of the brand. The dude who I was at the shop was a heavy body, and he was like, "Bro, this is the bed you need." He's like, "You a side sleeper?" I'm like, "I'm a fucking alligator roller because I can't breathe because
Yeah.
I'm fat. So I alligator roll because my sleep apnea." And he's like, "Oh yeah, you need this mattress." Bro,
Alligator.
my back has been hurting significantly less. I've been getting better quality sleep. I mean, my CPAP, I got the CPAP with the hose that goes on the forehead, and I
On
just be
top, I
rolling.
think,
Yeah, I
yeah.
just be rolling and shit's good. Shit's good.
Yeah, I think that's what we need to do because we bought these beds in the box and they're okay for a little bit, but after a while, right? My side has the big hole in it because I'm a huge fucking monster, right? So it's got my whole body imprinted in one
I'm a
half of the bed.
huge fucking monster, Javi. You are a huge fucking person.
I'm a huge fucking monster,
You
dog.
ain't a
No, I'm
monster.
gonna go.
You're just a
I'm gonna
huge
go to the
person.
mattress store. I'm gonna do. Have you guys seen that skit from Key and Peele where the guy's on the bed and he's like, he's like humping on the bed. I'm gonna have to go do that shit. Like me and my wife, we get it on. So I gotta go on the bed and test it out. And be like, does it handle my fat body? Like, does it handle the weight? Like, I gotta go in it. I gotta go to town on that shit.
I know that's right. I know that right.
Oh,
Yeah, no,
man.
that's Stearns and Foster. That mattress be hitting.
Um, Logan's looking at a new spot. It might be furnished. I'll give you all my stuff if it is. It's practically new. The wife is gonna be she's excited about
You ain't gonna
dressing
take
up the
a
place.
woman. You ain't gonna take a woman. You ain't gonna take a
Yeah.
woman away from her. You know how happy his wife must be to build a house, design a house. Yeah, why is
Yes.
this dude on the
Yeah.
YouTube talking about is Max out sometimes capping? Bro, about what? About
Max no
what?
cap.
About what? We're talking about furniture, twin. You think I'm capping about the fucking bed that I bought? You think I'm capping about my fucking bed?
That's a weird ass cap.
What does
Yeah.
that even mean? I dead ass lost my two accounts. Bitch, I called out 230 fucking points live. I called out 1,700 points this week. It's my biggest week ever. What am I capping about, bro? I show the profits in the Discord. Oh, are you in the Discord? I'm from Broward County, twin. Are you in
I
the
gotta use the
Discord?
UV light.
Get me
Practically a
tight on a
virgin.
Friday, bro. Today, the first couple were just quick scalps. I only caught like 80 on the way down. I caught like 40 or 50 with hobby on the way back up, and then 230. So like 380 or 390 today.
Yeah, today was sick. Like
Today
we
was
caught
fucking
the little
toast.
like almost the bottom the level. One of my levels 229.50 caught
No,
the
that
dog.
dude got me tight as fuck right now, bro. You see I'm capping about my mattress? Why you think I'm
Yeah,
capping
that's so
about my
stupid.
think I'm capping about my fucking mattress? That's crazy, bro. I'm the greatest trader in the world. I don't give a fuck about trading. I'm in Broward County, twin. Max, we in Broward too, my guy. Let me see. All right, let's give you the test. Let's give my boy the Broward County test. Here we go.
Yo, yo.
What's going on? Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show, Hermes.
Not too
We
much,
got bad
man.
feedback from your computer, wherever you're at right now. We need to get that feedback away.
Oh, okay, 1 second here.
You don't sound like you're from Broward County. Where are you from?
Nah, man. I was in hold on 1 second.
First of all, turn your camera on. Second off, fix that feedback.
All right, how's the feedback?
Good.
All right,
Much
yeah.
better. You got a
Yeah,
camera?
man, I was on second. Yeah, 1 second.
You were what? You were what?
What's up?
What's going on?
No, I was in the heart of Fort Lauderdale. Lived in Weston for like 3 years.
Okay.
Sold roofs there. That's kind of how I'm funding all this stuff. It's just roof sales.
What roofing company do you work for?
Right now, it's Garabar Roofing.
Okay, so you work for the big commercial Garabar. They do a lot of commercial work.
They do a lot of commercial. So, well, it's 16 million in residential and 5 million in commercial.
Right.
So,
Right. Yeah, I know Garabar. My family owns one of the larger roofing companies down here.
Do they really?
Yeah.
Which one is it? I mean,
ABC.
oh wow, yeah, that is actually a massive one. Nice, yeah.
Yeah,
man.
My wife's dad has been roofing for 40 years down here.
Oh man, so this is a family company.
Yeah,
This is a long time.
Long time. So you're from Broward County. Let's get the quiz up.
Shoot.
Here we go. Let's get the quiz up here. We're gonna get this guy a quiz, and if he gets it right, then we'll know the real deal. He's from Broward County. All right, first question. Let's go to the swap shop and do what?
Not buy anything because it's fucking shit anyway. I mean, all the stuff there is ready to break next day, bro.
No, I'm not talking about buying shit. Nobody goes to the swap shop to buy shit. Come on.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
There's only 3 things they really offer at the swap shop. Come on. What do you do? Give me one of them.
Bro, I haven't been there since I was little.
Oh
my God.
This is South Florida, Broward County staple, my friend. Come on. You really
Isn't it on Powerline? Yeah. No, I know exactly where it is, bro.
Powerline?
Yeah, isn't it on Powerline?
My friend, you don't know the swap shop?
Bro.
Wrong answer. You go to the swap shop for 3 things.
Let me know.
Tint on your car, rims on your car, drive-in movie theater. Come on, twin.
Bro, I've never went to the drive-in movie theater, but I
Back in the
actually
day,
got tint.
They used to sell underage kids knives.
Wait,
Nice.
what?
All right. Oh yeah, swap shop's real good.
Why knives? Like
Let me
why?
get the next
Why
one.
not? I thought we were gonna say beer or
All
something.
right, here we go.
I'm ready.
If someone says they're headed down to Las Olas, what are they doing?
They're going partying, bro. I lived on Las Olas.
Okay. Which road in Broward County can ruin your entire day with one traffic accident?
What's it called? It goes east to west. Hold on. Wait, can I search it or is that cheating?
Hell no, you should know this. You're from Broward County.
What's it called, bro? No, it's not University. Hold on.
No, don't look it up. There's
no,
one road.
Bro.
Technically, there's 2 or 3 highways that run through Broward County, but this one shuts down in the heart of Broward. and you cooked.
Yeah. Yeah. It's I mean, pineapple runs into it. Fucking everything runs into it. Hold on. I got this. I live in Stewart right now. It's been 2 years, so
Bro, he don't know. He don't know.
595, 595, 595.
No, you looking
That's
at
it.
the chat. You better thank Jay Hooligan. You better thank Jay Hooligan for that.
No, bro, that's the most dangerous road in the US.
595 or 95 go down in Broward County.
Yeah.
Everyone's late for work in this bitch.
Yeah, man. Right
Brother,
by the airport.
brother, you're 1 win, 2 losses right now. If you get the 3 losses, you're out of here. You're out of here. All right, I'm gonna give you an easy one. I'll give you a toss-up.
All right.
A true Broward County resident knows the definition of this word. What's a snowbird?
People that come from the north down south, bro.
All right, okay. That was an easy one. That was
Yeah.
an easy one.
Thought that was white chicks. Or
No,
is
that
that
was
Snow Bunny?
No, that was an easy one.
It was
All
easy.
right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, I got a good one. Here we go. If you're from Broward County, what are you most likely going to see at the Sawgrass Mills Mall?
Probably a bunch of hoes, bro. There's a lot of Hispanic chicks there. Sawgrass Mall's beautiful.
If you go to the Sawgrass Mall, you will see Hispanics. That is the correct answer.
That's right.
Answer. You
That's
will see
right.
Hispanics. That is the correct answer.
Let's go.
You nailed that one. No,
Let's go,
you
bro.
nailed that one. You nailed that one.
Let's go, bro.
All right, here we go. What is the only city in Broward County where these motherfuckers got horse stables and all horses and shit everywhere?
Okay, so I sold a roof there. We sold Dwayne Johnson's old house, and I can never remember
There's only one
the
city.
fucking city
No,
name.
there's
Yeah,
one
it's
city.
right next to Weston, though. It's right next to Weston, bro.
Damn right it is. No, it
Something
ain't the rich one.
Estates.
It ain't the rich one. No, there's one city. Come on now.
It has ranches in. Bro, the chat actually helped me. My bad.
The
I
chat
knew it had
actually-
ranches. I knew it had ranches in it, but I can never remember the name. I know it's right next to Weston, though.
No,
live
it's
right
not
next
the
to it.
rich one, bro. Southwest Ranches, not the rich one. I'm talking about the real one.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that's the one I went to, bro. It was a $5 million house.
Come on,
He was
if you're
the brain
selling
surgeon.
roofs.
That's my final answer, bro. Southwest Ranches. Honestly, I don't know the other one that you're talking about.
Davy.
I'm sorry. Davy.
Davy's
Oh,
literally known for the only city in Broward left that has horse stables available in front of the Publix, twin.
Are you talking about that equestrian place that
No,
sometimes has
not an
CrossFit
actual-
competitions?
The whole city is still equestrian equipped and approved of Davy.
You know, you're right. That's right.
All right, well, I'm going to give you one more.
My bad.
More. Here we go. This is going to be this is some real Florida Broward shit right here.
I'm ready, bro.
This
I'm
is
ready.
going to tap into your inner Broward. Are you ready?
Let's do it. Let's do
Are
it.
you ready? How many Publix locations around?
Bro.
How many Publix locations are around you, right? But hold on. Which one's the good Publix? You know what I'm saying?
In all of
anyone from
Broward?
South Florida, anyone from South Florida right now knows what I just said. Which one of them Johns is the good Publix?
I'll tell you right now, it's definitely not the Publix downtown near Las Olas. That's for sure. They do not make those subs with love. Every time I order something, this lady looks like she has the worst fucking day ever, and it reflects in the sandwich. The best one? We're talking about subs, right? We're not talking about like overall ambiance.
No, I'm just talking about which one's the good Publix, bro?
I'm gonna have to go to Pembroke, bro. A lot of families, a lot of beautiful families over there. And shout out to my boy Greg. His mom works at that Publix, so I'm gonna have to go with that Publix, bro.
That's just a generic question because everyone around them in South Florida knows they got one good Publix. No, don't go to that one. Go to the good Publix down the street.
Yeah,
Don't go to that one over there. Go to the good one. That is
that's
the
so
most
true,
South
man.
Florida shit someone will say. Why are you driving 10 minutes further? This is the good Publix.
It's
This
100% worth it.
ain't that ain't that old bullshit Publix. That's the good Publix. I think you are from South Florida. I think you passed the test. One last
Hell yeah.
question.
Yeah, I got
The
you.
final question. What city is Cheetahs located in?
Bro, don't say that too loud, bro. My fiance will hear shit and it'll give away everything. Don't be saying that. But
What city
what city?
is Cheetahs in?
I'm not a big strip club guy, I swear to God.
Me either.
Cheetahs, I'm gonna say it's not Davie. They're two family. Pembroke two family. We're talking about Broward, not Miami, right? We're not talking about not the booby trap. You always see the booby trap on
I'm not
995.
talking about no damn booby trap. I'm talking about the one and only Cheetahs, open 24 hours a day, serving wings before 1 o'clock, Monday through Friday.
I'm gonna lock in Coral Springs.
Jesus fucking Christ. My friend,
Max,
I've
never been there.
I have determined, chat, you are not a true 954 Broward County resident. You are not.
That's okay.
I've stamped them. Bang! You are not. But you are still awesome. And what we're going to do for you, brother, is we are going to throw you a free 50K account. So you open up a
Dude,
support
thank you so
ticket.
much.
You open up a support ticket, baby. We're going to throw you a free 50K account. Everyone knows Cheetahs
Thank you
is
so
all
much.
fucking 95 in Atlantic and Pompano Beach, baby. Everyone
Ah,
know that.
oh my goodness. Well, Max, I appreciate everything, man. I've been learning a metric fuck ton being in this Discord. And I know I blew my accounts today, but I'm just trying to follow what you're saying. I'm trying to look where you're looking and see like your MVGs, where they're coming from. And I'm probably going to be picking up one of your indicators because obviously
Get the
it's helping a
indicator.
lot.
Get the MVG indicator. It's
Yeah.
literally Candles MVG is how I've been trading every morning for the last 2 weeks. And I've had my best 2 weeks ever.
Man. Yeah, I'm gonna have to because I'm blowing $99 here, $99 there. It doesn't make sense.
Yep.
So I appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys.
No problem. We appreciate you, my friend. Have a good one. Open that support
Yeah, man.
ticket.
Thanks, man.
I'm telling you, chat. If you claim you're from the 954, you better be ready to take the test. You better be ready to take the test because you know daddy's gonna come dropping that knowledge. We had that one guy on the show one time, and that motherfucker just named every strip club in Broward County. We're like, okay, he's from here. He knows. He named every one. He even named the old one. Javi, you know you're muted? Oh, yeah, he's on the phone or something. He on the phone. Yeah. He on the phone. You're good, twin. You're good. That was a good interview. Max, I owe you push-ups. I blew in the account. Well, hold on now. Let's talk about it. Get your ass up here. Officially on one. How many push-ups? Because it's 10 push-ups per infraction. So hold on. I want my push-up video. 10 push-ups per infraction. And just like that, my boy Dom the Grifter is 300 points away from his PT still. Dangerous person to fucking listen to. What a fucking dangerous person to listen to. Officially on one.
What's up?
Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Where are you from?
I'm from Kentucky.
Kentucky? What do you do out there?
I drive forklifts.
You're a certified forklift driver?
Uh-huh.
You want a free account, twin? You want a free account. Does your girl know you're a certified forklift driver?
Oh, yeah.
Shit, my girl might be listening right now. Don't tell him you certified forklift driver. Are you
Oh yeah,
sweating?
yeah. I'm at work. I'm on my break right now.
I
Getting
know that's
ready.
right.
Yeah, getting ready.
What's going on with the trading, bro?
Uh, I just started taking your course. Probably about 2 weeks ago. I
Okay, so
see
it's
a Yeah, I see a lot of improvement. Like I know why I'm taking trades and stuff like that now. Um, Now I'm just starting to get used to just holding the trade and trusting in the process of it.
there you go. That's all you got to do. Hold the trade, trust the process, fucking, and then you got to keep educating yourself, keep learning, watch all the videos in the mastermind. You got to
Oh
go through it. And then I'll tell you right now, watch the candlestick analysis breakdown twice. Watch that
yeah.
shit twice. And because it's gonna click, it'll click. And like this morning, if you didn't see that Maxway trade 1, 2, and 3, that's always bread and butter. That shit's got a win rate, like a fucking win rate. And then after that, it's all about psychology. You hit that one and done. Like I mean, 230 fucking points. It's the best day ever.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I definitely been trying to work on the one and done. I didn't get it down to I probably past couple weeks, the most trades I took probably like 4 in a day. And there's a big improvement because it was times I was taking like 70 trades in a day.
Yep.
So
Damn.
I definitely see the course is working for me. I just, like
Good.
you said, get my psychology together and just keep on delving deeper into the videos. But
Good. Yeah.
I will get that push-up video for you because I definitely did
How
blow.
many infractions was it?
It was just one account.
Now I want to count how many
Oh,
infractions, how many rules did you violate? This way, we have a very strict system of rules. So every time you overtraded, every time you entered without one systems, anytime you broke your stop loss, anytime you violated the Maxway rules. So it's not 10 per account, it's 10 per infraction.
okay. Yeah, I owe you about 30 then because
Okay, so you overtraded was one of them, and then what else? What's the other two then?
I hit revenge trade that blew the account.
Just re-entered that bitch, right? Didn't even think about analysis, just fucking
Mhm.
we're in. Okay. Okay. And
And
what's the
then one of the trades, I thought it was a setup, but after I went back and looked at it, it wasn't really the full setup like how it should have been.
right?
And I kind of jumped the gun.
That's how it is. That's how it is. All right. 30 push-ups, my guy. 30
I
push-ups.
guess you like
But what prop are you trading?
I've been jumping around from TPT and Funded Future Family, but I was thinking about working with my Funded Futures
Okay.
because they look
Okay. What I'll do is I will throw you a free 50K from my funded futures. Which one of the rapid plan?
yeah, the rapid plan.
Perfect.
I definitely appreciate that.
No problem. I'm going to support you on your journey. Don't worry about blowing that account, baby. We're going to get you right back in the game and you keep grinding and keep learning, bro. Seriously, take your time to dig into those videos and study the fucking Maxway course. And because a lot of people like to watch Rake's video and then watch 1, 2, 3, and 5. And that should just be like, okay, this system makes sense.
Right. Yeah, I watched 1 through 5 first, and then I watched the rate video. But I'm gonna go back. I watched the one. I watched it probably like about 4 times, but I definitely had to check out 2 and 3 again.
Yeah. Yeah, we dig into that orb a lot different than most people think.
Right. Yeah. Once I get in the course, I saw the difference from watching the morning show to versus how you actually trade it.
Yeah, yeah, much different, much different. Good shit, bro. Well, congratulations, my man. Fucking, you're killing the game. Get back in there. Take it slow. Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast. Get yourself a free account from My Funded Futures. Open a support ticket, and we're gonna keep grinding this out.
I definitely appreciate it, y'all. Y'all have a good one.
You too, man. Appreciate you.
All right.
Very nice. Very nice. Where's that YouTube at? I'll tell you right now, if the YouTube likes ain't high,
Nice. Very
I'll tell you right
Where's that
now, if those
YouTube
YouTube likes ain't high, I'm gonna be tight, bro. I'm gonna be tight. If the YouTube likes ain't more than the points we call out, you ain't getting no free accounts. And I'll drop some accounts. I'll drop some take profit accounts on y'all. I'll drop some 50K take profit accounts on the YouTube right now. I'll drop some take profit accounts on the YouTube right now. On God. But I need to see some likes in the chat. I'll bring some tip out of chat. Try to carry your head right. Fuck is going on, chat? Fuck is going on? This volatility is a little crazy. La da da, la da da, la da da. Come on, YouTube. Daddy wants to drop some free accounts. Daddy wants to drop some free accounts. Come on. Perfect orb bounce. Beautiful orb bounce right there. Wow. Very nice. I want to get the. I'm telling you right now, chat. We're about 50 likes off.
Right.
You better like
We
the
back.
better like the stream. Like the stream. Come on. Like the stream. We got to get at least 340 likes. We got to get at least.
Anybody want them get brave enough to take that long that just popped up right now?
Carlos, did you just ask me what my World Cup team is? Brother. Brother.
Oh no, my wife wanted me to avoid this because she's like, I better not say not Paraguay.
Brother, what do you think which team I'm going to root for in representation of a country forever and for always?
Look at all the answers.
You guys are all wrong. You guys are all fucking wrong. I'm rooting for Argentina. I'm a huge Messi fan. You're all fucking wrong.
Messi.
You're all idiots. I'm a huge Messi fan. You're all idiots. I root for Argentina. I don't give a fuck about soccer. USA, USA, all fucking day. These colors don't run. These colors don't run. I don't care if we're the worst fucking team in the world. I will paint my fucking face red, white, and blue until the day I die. I don't care about anything else. Any world event, I am rooting for the red, white, and fucking blue, baby. That is it. That is it. I also root against India. I also largely root against India. So whatever or any nation or so as much as I love the USA, I also wildly root against India. So I will be cheering for USA. Of course. Of course. I'm not gonna lie though.
Red, white, and blue
I'm not gonna
though.
lie. I saw some clips of some of the Mexican hoes in the fucking stands. Oh my God. Bro.
No comment.
Bro. If they're really out there like that, I didn't know South America's game. I didn't know the hoes. I thought it was just a bunch of old dudes, you know? I didn't know that these young fucking young OnlyFans models were also coming out to these games rooting for their nation. I didn't realize their game. I didn't realize
I
their
think
game.
they plant them in there, honestly. Like
That's the one I seen.
I know there's a
That's the one I
passion.
seen right there.
Is that the one?
Her titty falls out. Her titty falls out in that video. That's the one I'm talking
They're
about.
definitely OnlyFans models. Those are
Crazy.
definitely OnlyFans models. They
Look
gotta
there.
be.
Coach USA. Let's get that up on the gram. Let's get that up on the on the X. Let's get that up on the X. Only one team Coach Max roots. Team USA. You kind of gave me a fat titty in that picture, so let's get a band going. Let's get a band going on Monday because I noticed that you could see a little bit of the crease of the shirt is stuck under my jugs, and that's realistic and hurts my feelings. So let's get a band going on that guy. This market's going crazy. I'm going to sell some calls on the Qs. 334 likes. That's enough for me. Let's get a giveaway going on the YouTube. YouTube, are you ready? 150 seconds on the clock, baby. We're going to throw 150 seconds on the clock, and we're going to do a giveaway. The code word is Big Daddy Max is the code word. Big Daddy Max is the code word, and it is live. It is live. And if you win on the YouTube, you type in the word Big Daddy Max, I'm going to give you a 50K Take Profit Trader account. Yeah, keep posting with your shirt off, Logan. All you're going to do is get a bunch of fucking dudes.
Especially Jay Hooley.
Look at his
Jay
face.
Hooley's going to be the one to watch
Look
out
at
for.
his face. Bro, that's crazy.
Why does he not look so intimidating in that face? Like he looks like
he's trying to be cute, dog. He's trying to be cute, bro.
yeah. Like
But
it's
you
just
know,
missing
if
a little
Logan
wing.
shaves, he has no chin. If Logan shaves, he has one of those like you can't fold towels chin. It's like, you know what I'm talking about? It's very like pushed back and rounded. Like how's he gonna fold towels? How's he ever gonna fold towels? He's got no chin. You know what I'm saying? You go to put something like this, it's gonna fall down every time. It's gonna fall down every time. It's honestly crazy crazy you can live through life like that. Boy got no chin.
Yeah, it's crazy. How does Lama do it?
Yeah, DB,
Like,
tonight you can
how does
request a
Lama do that?
payout.
Does he gotta push it back?
Llama's got a massive neck.
Gotta, like-
No, Llama's got a big ass neck. Should be getting caught in his neck.
No, I think for him, yeah, you're right. He could just pick it up, right? He could pick up that little double chin and just slap it down. He doesn't even need to do this. He would just need to like
What
lift it
happens
up,
when I shave my
put it
face?
in, and
I
then
have a very
pull it.
nice jawline. I don't have like a crazy fat neck, but I look horrible with a clean shaven face. Like horrible.
I mean,
Like
you guys will see me. I look like a gremlin.
like a gross penis face. I don't like it. Ugh, it's so bad. It's so bad. Hold on, I'll show you guys a picture. The most recent picture of me with a clean shaven face was about 2 years ago. It was about 2 years ago. I was doing reacts with a clean shaven face, and it was fucking brutal. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm trying to be cute, so I think it's a bad photo. I'm trying to be cute, so it's a pretty bad photo. This is this is what I look like with no beard. Hold on,
Does that
I
mean
could probably
Lama
find
could
you one
fold
more.
clothes with his head up?
All right, here we go. Oh, here's a good one from
That's like 20 years ago. You don't have anything recent, do you?
20 years ago, twin. That's fucking 2-3 years ago. This is a while ago. This is Dan's wedding. That's at Dan's
Yeah, you're
wedding.
young. I know you're young.
That's at Dan's wedding. So that's an older one.
That's an older one. That's an older one than the first one.
Yeah, that's way older than the first one. Yeah,
You look so much older on that last one.
That's 2017. That's 2017 right there. I have a few where I'm clean shaven.
You look better than I do. I'll tell you that. You look way better than I do, clean shaven.
Skinny clean shaven Max, military Max. He's a vibe. He's a vibe. Yeah. There's a bunch of pictures of me clean shaven. I don't have like a crazy fat fucking neck. Like I don't have like the llama. I don't have that disgustingly droopy fat pocket kangaroo turkey thing. I just got I kind of got a chiseled chin.
Kangaroo turkey. Oh man,
Yeah.
kangaroo turkey thing, dude. I've never heard that before.
What happened?
Yeah, I've never heard kangaroo turkey thing before. Kangaroo turkey.
He bet my boy got that pocket. My boy got that pocket, twin. I'm trying to find the most recent one ever.
Yeah,
Would
I'll only
be
look good clean shaven if I'm skinny. Like that was the only time I ever looked good. That's it.
if you were
Not
skinny.
fat. Yeah, fat, clean shaven. I look like I could be a predator of some sort. Like, be afraid of me if I have like, yeah, like, I don't look safe.
Oh, so brutal. So brutal. Hold on. Here we go. This is the most recent of me clean shaven. Let me see. And it's so brutal. Here we
Yeah,
go.
see my wife posting. Then look at that. Look at that. My wife posting. Look at that. I look like one of the movie high school bullies too. Like those fat guys
This,
that are just like,
this is the most. This is me 2 years ago. Clean shaven. Brutal. Brutal.
man, that's not bad, bro. That's way better than my shit.
No,
Look at yours and then look at mine, man. Look at me, clean shaven
where you at?
as a big guy. Like a couple posts up. Just my wife just posted 11:05.
I mean,
Look
I
at
think
that.
as men, yeah, I think Logan's right. As men, we together and agree. Facial hair does magic. You know what I mean? Like facial
Yeah.
hair, it's an incredible, powerful thing for a man. It's an incredible,
It's our
powerful thing
makeup.
for a man. Right.
It absolutely is.
Yeah. As a man, you're supposed to have a beard. You're supposed to be sexual. And I'm growing my beard out. I'm growing out. Yeah, that's kind of what I would. Ew, God no. I don't like being clean shaved, bro. It's fucking weird. I'll go down to a face beard, like you guys seen at like the event. I'll go down to a very short face beard, and I'm okay with that. Where you could basically see the skin, but it's still there. You still like see the beard. I can't imagine going like completely beardless in today's climate.
No,
Wouldn't work.
I couldn't either.
It wouldn't work. Most of my life, I don't think I had facial hair though. But like before, like I only had real facial hair prior or after post military. So I've only grown a beard 2018 on. Actually, that's a pretty long time now. I think about it, it's 8 years. So I've had facial hair for 8 years, but most of my before that, when I was working law enforcement, I was working corrections, I was working in the military. The most I had was like very light facial hair, maybe like a goatee or something.
Bald Dan does look like Kalu.
Look, in my Port St. Lucie fuckboy vibes. Look at this.
Oh yeah, that's
Port St.
definitely
Lucie
Chad
fuck.
vibes right there.
Yeah. So different. This is me. This is a very old photo when I was I think I was 19 here and I was drunk and vomited on myself. That's a good one. That's always a
Oh
classic.
wow, dude, that is a classic.
That's a classic. That was I
That's
don't know
such
where
a
that
small amount
was,
of
but
vomit.
someone took a picture of me after I puked on myself. Yeah, I think it was in the pizzle. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, like when I puke on myself, I think I've only had 2 instances where I puked myself, and it was like a flood. It was bad.
Here's me and the
It was
Aryan
really
Brotherhood.
bad.
Here's me and the Aryan Brotherhood. This is me and the whites doing what
Wait,
we were trying to track down Jay Hooligan back then.
it's you on the left?
We were at a heavy metal concert and we were fucking at a skate park and we were fucking it was in a mosh pit.
Straight up almost looked like my brother when he was that age.
Like that? You guys are disgusting. Who is the winner of the giveaway?
YouTube, did YouTube pick a winner? Shoot. Might have forgotten already. I was too busy taking still my trades.
I didn't see mods. Did we track the winner? Giveaway winner was Ayal Attar. Ayal Attar. Chat, what the fuck is going on right now with the fucking GIFs? What the fuck is going on right now with the GIF chat?
Yo, the Homelander one looks pretty dope, though.
The Homelander one's
The
pretty,
Homelander one? Yeah.
I am from Broward County, so that Louis Vuitton, that's a real picture. That's a real picture. This. I am from Broward County 954. So that picture is real. Well, let's do one more giveaway. We're running a little late today. We got to get up out of here, chat. So let's do one more giveaway. Let's get one more going. Me eating the hot dog while I'm shooting. Yeah, there's one of Lama licking the hot dog. It's pretty funny. We're gonna do one more giveaway on the YouTube. Giveaway. 150 seconds on the clock. Code word is Blitz. Blitz is the code word as we run down the clock. Type in Blitz on the YouTube for your chance to win a 50K Take Profit Trader account. Guys, great fucking week. Honestly, I hope you guys enjoyed the week, enjoyed the entertainment, enjoyed the fun, and got to reap some of the benefits of the amazing trading that I displayed. I am the king. I hope you guys learned some things this week. I hope you guys had a lot of fun this week. I hope your fucking accounts are healthy, you're healthy, and you're going off to enjoy a wonderful, wonderful weekend after Trading Wheels and the happy hour and the power hour with the boys. Trading Wheels is coming up in 45 minutes, and Rob Hoffman will be here, the CEO of Wealth Charts. Guys, they're going to be doing a giveaway, I believe. Make sure you lock in with fucking Trading Wheels in less than an hour. The Hoff is going to be here. He's going to be dropping some sauce and shit on you guys. He's going to be dropping some not sauce and some shit on you guys. So make sure you guys check out the Hoff. Big Daddy Hoff is just 45 minutes out from Trading Wheels. Great day today, guys. If you want to learn how to trade like me, make sure you tap into the Mastermind. That's it. Tap into the Mastermind. Check out the Range Breaker, MVG, Orb indicators. That's how Big Daddy trades. If you want to learn how to trade like the Quantum King, first of all, you need to check out that Quantum indicator. You could book a coaching session. And most importantly, get your name on that course waitlist, because that course is going to be live. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun. You're going to have guest classes, appearances, live trading with Javi, and so much more. That course is going to be an experience. It shouldn't even be called a course. It should be called the Quantum Experience, because it's going to be fucking fun. It's going to be awesome. Make sure you guys lock in with my boy. Blitz attendees. If you want a coaching session with me, you have to book it with Javi. That's the only way you're going to get coaching with Big Daddy Max is Javi. Javi is the only person who is eligible with coaching to teach you the Max way. If you are interested in any of the Max way strategies, you could book a coaching session with Javi and he will teach them to you. I don't know if you guys knew that or not, but if you are interested in the Max way and want coaching, Javi can teach you and show you all of it. He is authorized to do that. Soon,
then you get to
Luca.
learn about the sauce box too.
And soon Luca too. Luca as well. All of my students who are talent, they are absolutely authorized to teach the Max way, 100%. So make sure you guys tap in with my boy, the Javi, and you're following him on social media. Great show, great thing. Make sure you guys tap into the indicators. They're the best indicators in the gang. And we fucking love them. Coaching, so much more, guys. Blitz. We will see you on Monday, babe. You guys for the motherfucking Blitz. If there's a Blitz attendee in this house, let me tell you right now, you're in for some special treats. Very, very special treats. So Monday, we're all going to be flying up to Chicago. You might see me, but definitely not Tuesday morning. The Big Daddy Morning Show is live, baby. So, and if you are not attending, have no fear. Luca is here, baby. Have no fear. Luca is here. He will be on the morning with you guys. Absolutely fucking cooking. Congratulations, EMC Easy on another win free account. Open up a support ticket. Great show. Great job, guys. Congratulations to all of today's winners. Massive winners all around. Amazing. As we look back into next week, and we're going to have more fun. Let's all keep Lama in our prayers. He had some complications with his hands, and they said that they need to do the liposuction in his fucking forehead next. It's very unfortunate. There was some issues, so they're actually going to begin liposuction in his forehead. So really hope that he's doing okay. Let's all say a prayer for the Lama. He's going to have the world's tiniest hands, and it's going to look like he got Botox. Guys, please do not draw any attention to his hands when he comes back. Please do not draw any attention to Lama's hands when he gets back. They're going to be wildly thin compared to the rest of his gigantic, disgusting body. So we love Lama. Make sure you guys check out Pay to Play University, Coach's Pre-Market, P2P still on top. I know his students ate. I know Coach went berserk last night. Make sure you guys are locked in on my boy P2P. Tip the staff. Tip the staff. Have a wonderful weekend. And remember, if you're going to buy a prop, why not support the best team in the world, trying to protect you guys like from fucking doms of the industry. We're going to let you pop your accounts and tell you they know secret strategies 8 months in, but don't even know what a fucking daily loss limit is. So naive, so arrogant. Everything here at BDM MOT World is to keep you guys safe. So lock in. Wealth charts, baby. Blitz coming soon. Code BDM. Go check out all the great prop partners over at Wealth Charts. Hoff is coming live in 45 minutes for Trading Wheels. Big Daddy Javi.
Yeah, guys, we'll see you for Power Hour. Coaching is temporarily locked out until after the move, so maybe August, September will reopen, but for the time being, it is locked up because I got to move. We got the event. We got the course coming up. Sign up for the course, a wait list. You guys get an added, there's some benefits to signing up with being in the wait list and at the event. Other than that, y'all, make sure you tip the staff, do all that fun stuff. We'll see you for Power Hour, gang. It was fucking amazing morning show. Peace out,
Absolutely
y'all.
amazing, Javi. You killed it, bro. And a K! Kick fire on them hoes. We love you guys. Big Daddy Morning Shot Tuesday for the Blitz and back to normal operations. Ready to go on Wednesday. We love you. Trading Wheels, 45 minutes. Rob Hoffman, CEO. Free sauce. Do not miss it. We love you, baby. What a fucking week. Let's go, chat. We'll see you next week, baby. Let's see you.
Coffee steam and a green candle. Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Preaching price levels, lighting up the channel. Verse 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's shorting on sight. Let's go. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow. Gospel in the game. Holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet, yo. Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone, he's all in with a grin. If it cracks that floor, he's dancing